Number 5. Hamtramck. This is a city that lost its identity and then found a completely new one. For decades, Hamtramck was the heart of Polish America, a tiny 2-square-mile town packed with families who came to work in the nearby auto plants. It was a city within a city, surrounded by Detroit and powered by the same industrial dream. When those factories started to rust over, Hamtramck could have easily become just another forgotten neighborhood. The jobs that built the community were gone, but it didn't die. It was reborn. Instead of emptying out, new waves of immigrants arrived from all over the world, from Yemen, Bangladesh, and Eastern Europe. They opened new shops, started new families, and transformed Hamtramck into one of the most internationally diverse cities in America. It's a powerful reminder that when the factories close, the story isn't always over. Sometimes it's just beginning. Number 6. Flint. If one city's name has become a symbol for the entire Rust Belt, it's Flint. For decades, this was the heart of General Motors, a place that didn't just build cars, it built the American dream. The jobs were good, the city was thriving, and the future looked bright. When those auto jobs started leaving, the city didn't just shrink, it was hollowed out. But the economic collapse was nothing compared to what came next. The Flint water crisis was a horrific, man-made disaster that poisoned its own residents, turning a story of industrial decline into one of a profound human tragedy. But the story isn't just about loss. Today, Michigan is seeing billions invested in a new battery belt, aiming to turn old industrial lands into hubs for electric vehicles. It's a long shot, but it shows the incredible resilience of a community that refuses to be forgotten. Number 7. Saginaw. Before Michigan was the car capital of the world, it was the lumber capital, and Saginaw was its king. This city's wealth wasn't built on assembly lines, but on sawmills that fed a nation's hunger for wood. It was an industrial powerhouse long before the first engine turned over. When the forests were cleared, Saginaw did what tough towns do. It reinvented itself, becoming another critical gear in the state's massive automotive machine. And, like so many others, it felt the gut punch when those jobs vanished. But Saginaw's story is a reminder that the cycle of boom and bust is older than the automobile. Today, the city is part of a statewide push to diversify, looking for its next life in everything from advanced manufacturing to agriculture. It's a slow, tough fight, but this city has been reinventing itself for over 150 years. Number 8. Muskegon Heights. This city was another essential gear in Michigan's massive industrial machine. For decades, its foundries and factories cranked out the parts that built America. Jobs were steady, and people came from all over for a shot at a good, middle-class life built on hard work. In Muskegon Heights, a factory job meant security. Then, the same story we've seen before played out. Foreign competition got fierce, the old plants couldn't keep up, and the jobs just vanished. When the factories, the absolute lifeblood of the city, shut their doors for good, it ripped the heart out of the community. People left, money dried up, and the town was left fighting for survival. Today, Muskegon Heights is a story of sheer grit, a community battling incredible odds to redefine itself. But its struggle has been a slow burn. Our next city faced a collapse that was anything but. We started by telling you the Rust Belt label is a lie. And after visiting places like Benton Harbor, Highland Park, and Flint, it's clear these cities are anything but forgotten. They were the heart of industrial America. They're reinventing themselves with new tech, building electric cars, and growing more food than almost any other state. Michigan is building a future, not just clinging to a past. The real story here isn't about decay. It's about grit, endless reinvention, and a powerful comeback most people never see. If you want to keep uncovering the hidden truths and untold chapters of American history that defy simple labels, then make sure you subscribe. You won't want to miss what we reveal next.